If your toilet often clogs, uses too much water, or just feels uncomfortable, it's already telling you something. Hi, I'm Will from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers. Today, we're talking about when replacing your toilet makes sense, what your options are, and how to avoid choosing the wrong one. Most of our clients don't replace the toilet because it breaks completely, they replace it because it's old and outdated. Older toilets tend to use more water, clog more often, and honestly, they can feel out of place once the rest of the bathroom has been updated. One of the most common options we install is the standard round front toilet. It's compact, affordable, and works well in smaller bathrooms or powder rooms where space is tight. For families with kids, the lower seat height can also be a plus. The trade off is comfort. Taller homeowners or seniors often find it less comfortable, and the exposed trap design usually means more frequent cleaning. On the other end of the spectrum is the elongated and right height toilet, which has become the go to choice. The bowl is longer, the seat is higher, and the overall experience feels more comfortable, especially for adults, seniors, or anyone with mobility concerns. These models also tend to flush more effectively, stay clean longer, and simply look more polished in a finished bathroom. They do cost more and need a bit more space, but for many homeowners, the comfort upgrade alone makes the decision easy. Another thing we talk about with homeowners is whether keeping the old toilet actually saves money. In many cases, it doesn't. Older toilets use more water, mineral buildup can weaken flushing, and repair costs today often come close to the price of a new mid range toilet. If it's more than 10 years old, it's usually worth at least considering a replacement. Once replacement is on the table, flushing performance becomes a part of the conversation. A higher score means stronger and more reliable flushing, which helps reduce clogs, extra flushes, and everyday frustration. That's why typically we recommend toilets that score around 1,000 grams. A toilet upgrade isn't something you think about every day, but when it's chosen properly, it improves comfort, performance, and reliability in ways you actually notice. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward renovation advice. We'll see you on the next one.